Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you amazing miniature Zen garden design and 10 inspiring ideas to get you started with mini Zen garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of stillness and reflection can feel like a luxury. Enter the miniature Zen garden, a tranquil microcosm of nature, sculpted in sand and stone, offering a haven for the mind and soul. These enchanting landscapes, rooted in ancient Japanese tradition, transcend their diminutive size, weaving a tapestry of serenity within arm's reach. But what exactly lies beneath the raked sand and weathered rocks? Let's delve into the meaning, elements, and artistry of mini Zen gardens, discovering how to cultivate your own pocket of peace. Mini Zen gardens transcend mere decoration. They are tools for mindfulness, offering first, stress relief, the act of raking the sand, arranging stones, and contemplating the miniature landscape can induce a meditative state, promoting relaxation and quieting the mind. Second, creative expression, mini Zen gardens provide a blank canvas for your artistic spirit. Experiment with layouts, textures, and symbolism to express your inner harmony. Third, a connection to nature, even within your home, these tiny landscapes bring the essence of nature indoors, reminding us of its tranquility and balance. While Zen gardens embrace a sense of freedom, a few guiding principles enhance their harmony. First, simplicity, avoid clutter and focus on clean lines and minimal elements. Let the negative space breathe and invite contemplation. Second, asymmetry, embrace imbalance and imperfection. Arrange elements off-center to create a sense of natural flow and avoid forced symmetry. Third, scale, proportion is key. Rocks should relate to the container size, and small accents should not overpower the landscape. Fourth, symbolism, rocks can represent mountains, islands, or guardians. Sand patterns can evoke waves, ripples, or stillness. Infuse your garden with personal meaning. If you wonder, what do you need to make a mini Zen garden? Well, crafting your own mini Zen garden is an accessible practice, requiring just a few key elements. First, container, shallow trays, ceramic bowls, or even antique teacups provide the perfect stage for your landscape. Choose a base that resonates with your style and complements your surroundings. Second, sand or gravel, fine sand, white or colored, evokes the calming rhythm of the ocean. Gravel adds texture and can represent mountains or islands. Experiment with variations to create depth and interest. Third, rocks, select stones with interesting shapes and textures. Smooth river rocks offer serenity, while jagged peaks add drama. Arrange them thoughtfully, following the principles of asymmetry and balance. Fourth, miniature accessories, sand rakes, miniature plants, figurines, or moss can personalize your garden and add pops of color or symbolic touches. Remember, less is often more in Zen aesthetics. Choosing the right sand is crucial for aesthetics and texture for Zen garden. Popular options include: first, fine white sand offers a clean canvas and evokes the tranquility of beaches. Second, colored sand, add pops of color for a playful touch or symbolic meaning. Third, black sand, creates a dramatic base, ideal for highlighting other elements. Fourth, gravel, use different sizes and colors to add texture and represent mountains or pathways. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best miniature Zen garden ideas. 1. Miniature Zenscape, replicate a natural landscape with mountains, islands, and rippling sand patterns. 2. Desert Oasis, use white sand, cacti, and smooth stones to create a serene desert-inspired haven. 3. Coastal Calm, let white sand and blue accents evoke the rhythm of the ocean, adding seashells or miniature boats for a nautical touch. 4. Japanese Garden Mini, incorporate miniature bamboo, moss, and raked gravel to capture the essence of traditional Japanese gardens. 5. Zen Rock Garden, focus on the beauty of stones, arranging them in asymmetrical compositions with minimal sand. 6. Cosmic Canvas, use black sand and celestial-inspired rocks to create a mystical, starry night landscape. 7. Hidden garden. Build a miniature world beneath a glass cloche, adding moss, figurines, and tiny plants for a whimsical touch. 8. Seasonal zen. Change your garden with the seasons. Use autumn leaves, tiny pumpkins, or wintry accents to reflect the changing world. 9. Meditation garden. Create a simple landscape with smooth stones and white sand, perfect for focused breathing exercises and mindfulness. 10. Geometric harmony. Play with geometric shapes like circles, squares, and triangles using rocks and sand patterns to create a modern and minimalist Zen garden. Mini Zen gardens are more than just miniature landscapes, they are invitations to mindfulness, creativity, and a connection to the natural world. So, embrace the sand, the stones, and the quietude. Rake away your stress, sculpt your serenity, and discover the transformative power of these tiny havens of peace. Visit our channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more design inspiration and tips to cultivate your own mini Zen masterpiece. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing miniature Zen garden design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.